This is a 2011 GMC Terrain blend door repair. I have already cut the housing of the blend door out with an oscillating tool and cleaned the edges where it fit back in place. I ordered the blend door from O'Reilly's and reinstalled it already. Videos that I watched on how to do this repair showed gluing it back in place with JB Weld. I think, given the fact that the actuator is positioned on these two posts that I did not cut out, you have enough structure left to not glue the side panel in place if you have to make this repair again. I'll show you in just a second.